My favourite free app this week is SynthMaster One from KV331 Audio. Available for free on both iPhone and iPad until April the 15th, SynthMaster One is, quite simply, incredible. A fully featured wavetable synth that packs in a massive feature set, SynthMaster One is worth every penny and then some of its usual $19.99 price point. If you're looking for instant inspiration, then dive right into SynthMaster One's humongous preset library. And make sure you throw them your email address to access an additional 350 presets as well. These presets run the gamut from more traditional synth fare to glitchy arpeggiated sounds and left field effects. There's something here for everyone, and you'd do well to fully prepare yourself to lose several hours surfing these pre-made sounds using SynthMaster One's excellent preset library interface. When you're ready to sculpt your own sounds, SynthMaster One's suite of controls make it really easy to achieve some killer results. While all of those oscillator, arpeggiator, filter and effect controls may seem a little intimidating at first, you'll soon get to grips with things thanks to SynthMaster One's intuitive interface. You can run SynthMaster One in standalone mode or connect to your iOS DAW of choice via Inter-App Audio, Audio Bus, or AUV3. I implore you, don't miss out on the opportunity to bag this app for free. It's absolutely fantastic. And props to KV331 Audio for giving iOS music makers the chance to discover SynthMaster One for free. I'll be back with another free app next week. For now, I'd love you to share your favourite free apps in the comments. Bye for now.